Alright, let's talk about something a lot of people are quietly doing but rarely asking about: eating 4 eggs every single day. Some people swear by it for muscle, energy, and weight loss. Others think it's a cholesterol disaster waiting to happen. So, what actually happens to your body if you eat 4 eggs daily? Let's break it down honestly. What 4 eggs a day actually give your body? First, let's talk nutrition. 4 whole eggs give you roughly 24 to 28 grams of high quality protein. That's a solid amount, especially for muscle repair, metabolism, and staying full longer. You also get healthy fats, vitamin D, vitamin B12, choline for brain health, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that support eye health. From a nutrient standpoint, eggs are extremely efficient. You're getting a lot of nutrition for relatively few calories. Now let's address the elephant in the room: cholesterol. 4 eggs contain about 700 to 800 milligrams of dietary cholesterol, which sounds scary if you remember the old advice that said cholesterol should be kept under 300 milligrams per day. But here's the truth based on newer research. For most healthy people, dietary cholesterol from eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels. Your liver actually produces less cholesterol when you eat more from food. What raises cholesterol more aggressively is saturated fat, trans fat, and ultra processed foods, not eggs alone. That said, not everyone responds the same way. Some people are cholesterol hyperresponders, meaning their LDL cholesterol can rise noticeably when they eat a lot of egg yolks. Next, effects on heart health. For healthy adults without heart disease, studies show that eating eggs daily does not increase heart attack or stroke risk when part of a balanced diet. However, eating 4 eggs every day for long periods may not be ideal if you already have high LDL cholesterol, diabetes, or existing heart disease. In these cases, some studies suggest higher egg intake could be associated with increased cardiovascular risk. So the risk is not universal, it depends on your metabolic health. So next, what happens to energy and hunger? One of the biggest benefits people notice with eating 4 eggs daily is stable energy. Eggs digest slowly, which means fewer blood sugar spikes and crashes. Many people feel fuller for longer, snack less, and experience fewer cravings throughout the day. This is why eggs are popular in high protein and weight loss diets. They help control appetite naturally. Next, impact on muscle and body composition. If you train regularly, 4 eggs a day can support muscle maintenance and recovery. Eggs contain leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. For physically active people, eggs can be a convenient and affordable protein source. However, they should not be your only protein source. Variety still matters. Now, let's talk about the downsides, because there are some. Eating 4 eggs every day can push cholesterol intake very high, especially if your diet already includes saturated fats. It may also crowd out other nutrient sources if eggs become your main food choice. Some people experience digestive discomfort, bloating, or food sensitivity symptoms when eggs are eaten in large amounts daily. And if eggs are fried in butter or paired with processed meats, the health impact changes completely. So, is eating 4 eggs every day safe? Here's the honest answer. For healthy, active adults with normal cholesterol, eating 4 eggs a day can be safe in the short to medium term, especially if the rest of the diet is clean and balanced. For people with high cholesterol, diabetes, or heart disease, 4 eggs daily is probably too much and should be limited or adjusted by using more egg whites and fewer yolks. Eggs are powerful, but more is not always better. So, eating 4 eggs every day is not automatically dangerous, but it's also not something everyone should do blindly. If you're healthy, active, and eating a balanced diet, your body can likely handle it just fine. If you have metabolic or heart issues, moderation matters more. The key takeaway is this: eggs are a tool, not a rule. Use them wisely.